Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a worship song, Down at Your Feet. I'm going to be playing in the key of B. Alright, so anytime you click on the like button, you share a link and then you send a comment on a song that I do or a tutorial, you help me to grow my channel and reach a wider audience. So I'll be very glad if you can take a time and click on the like, send me a comment in the comment below for me to know what you think about my tutorials, leave a message and then share the link. Alright, so I'll be playing my chord 1 like this in the key of B. This is chord 1. To key B, this is your chord 1, my B add 9, chord 2, alright, C minor 9th, C sharp minor 9th rather, and then this chord 3, that's B minor, E flat minor 7th, and E add 9, that's my chord 4, and then chord 5, F sharp add 9th, chord 6. It's either I play like a G minor or I add the 7th to it to make it G minor 7th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so let's start with the song. Down at your feet, oh Lord, is the most high place. In your presence, Lord, I seek your face. I seek your face. Alright, so in the original song, they played slightly different from what I'm playing. I'm playing it my own way. Alright, so down at your feet, oh Lord, is the most high place. In your presence, Lord, I seek your face. You can play it this way. I seek your face. Or you can play 4, 5, 1. I seek your face. Alright, so let's get into how I played it. This is the chord 1, 3, oh Lord, 4, 5. Then you play a diminished chord. Then you play G minor, which is your 6th chord. Then in your presence, Lord. Then you play another diminished chord. I see your face. Then you play 4, I seek, then 5, and then 1. Or you play 6, 7, 1. Then the next part, there is no higher calling, no greater honor than to bow and kneel before your throne. I'm amazed by your glory, embraced by your mercy, oh Lord, I live to worship you. Alright, so there is no higher calling, chord 4, higher calling, you maintain your 4 and then you play 5. Then there's no chord 3, greater honor, my 6th chord, then to bow, chord 2, and then you play 2 out of 5, and kneel before your throne, chord 1. Now before you play the chord 4, you play this chord, you play a 6 sharp or a 7 flat chord, a major chord, with your 5 chord on the left. So 1 and then 4. So okay, hold on. Then higher calling, Lord, greater honor than to bow and kneel before your throne. I'm amazed at your glory. Then 3, by your mercy, and oh Lord, I live to worship. Now when you play your 4 like this, and then you play your 5 like this, this is 3. Now 3 to 6, the only thing you do is you leave this one, then it's like this. So you play, so from 3, 6, then you remove this, and then you play the 2 and 2 or 5, and then back 1. So let me play the whole song. Down at your feet, oh Lord, is the moon star in your presence, Lord. I see your face. Now here I'm playing a suspended 5th. Right, it's a 5th chord. I'm playing the suspended notes, my sus 2. I seek your face. There is no higher calling, no greater honor than to bow and kneel before your throne. I'm amazed, glory, embraced by your mercy, oh Lord, I live to worship you. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like a comment, and then like and then leave a comment